All right, friends. Inside this video topic, we'll discuss that how to set up our web navigation links by means of using React Router DOM. Remember, React Router DOM is the npm package what we had installed inside our previous video. Let's go back to browser. So inside last video topic, this is the header what we had created, and inside this header, we can see that here we have the navigation menu items called Home, Products, Cart, My Account, My Orders, Logout, and Login and Sign Up. So in this video, I'll use the concept of React Router DOM so that I'll go and attach each of the component file what we have created with each of the navigation item. Let's go back to editor. So here I'll open src folder, layouts folder and navbar component. And inside this component file, what I will do, let's say import, then here I'll import link from React Router DOM, and here in place of anchor tag I'll use link tag. So this is our first anchor tag, so simply let's use link tag, and here let's get this my store, put inside this link tag, let's get this class name and put inside this link tag. Now here inside this anchor tag, here we have href attribute, but if you're talking about this link tag, here we have two attribute. Now here inside this two attribute, we have only forward slash. Now the first anchor tag now we have converted into link tag. Now next let's search for another anchor tag, and so before that let's do some formatting. Now if I go inside this div tag, so here we have the second anchor tag. So here let's say link tag, and inside this link tag let's say home, and here we have the class name called nav link. So simply I'll cut and put here, let's add two attribute, and here forward slash, let's remove this anchor tag. So I'll just copy this link tag, let's paste here. Now this time it will be for products. Then here nav link is okay, and inside this two attribute, let's say products. Let's remove this anchor tag. Then I'll go for this cart here. Let's paste. Now next here it is cart. And after this cart, it means after this text, also we have this span tag. So I will cut and paste here. And also inside this two attribute, this is cart. Let's remove this anchor tag. Save these changes. Now next we have to set up for this my account. So here, let's say link tag. This is for my account. And here inside this class name, let's copy this nav hyphen link, put here two attribute, and inside this it will be my account. Let's remove this anchor tag. Let's copy. Then I'll put for this my orders, and here my orders and my orders. Let's remove this anchor tag. Then I'll go here inside this logout. So okay, let's say logout, and also I'll remove this on click event, because at the dynamically we have to add the our on click event to handle this logout function. But for the time being, only we are focusing to create our web navigation menu items. So here nav link is okay, and inside this anchor tag let's remove only this forward slash. Let's remove this anchor tag. Let's copy. Then we have for login and sign up, let's copy, put it here, and I will call it as login. So successfully, now we have formatted this navigation menu items. It means this navbar component with this link component. Now next what I will do, simply let's open our app component. It means app.jsx, and here let's import so browser router as router. Then after let's pass routes here, route from React Router DOM. Then I will go here, and here simply let's call router. And inside this router, first thing first, I'll cut this navbar component. Let's paste inside it. And then after, let's create routes component. And here, I'll create each specific route of each link tag. So here, let's create route. And inside this route, we have path attribute. So first thing first, we have to create for the landing page. So forward slash, and in that case, we have to hit our home component. So inside this element, we have to pass our home component. And one more thing, before using any component file, simply let's first import. So import home from, and it will come from pages folder and then home. If I go into folder structure, so we can see that inside last video we had created multiple components. So inside this pages folder, here we have home.jsx file. So this is home component. Now in case of landing page, we have to open home component file. Then after, let's create our more out here. And next, we have to go inside our, let's say, products page. So inside that case, we have to call our element, and inside it, we have to call our products component. So if I see the component here, so first thing, let's import. So import products from pages folder, and then after we have to include call products. Then after, let's create our route for path called cart. So forward slash cart, and in this case, the component file will be called cart. So curly pairs component and cart component. Let's import. So import cart from, and it will come again from pages folder. And then after here we have the cart. Let's import our checkout here. So import checkout from pages folder and then checkout. Then after, let's say import. Then after we have my orders. So my orders from pages folder. And then after we have to call my orders. Then here, let's import my account. So my account from pages folder and then my account. Then after we have auth components. So import auth here from pages folder and then auth component. So successfully, here we have all the needed component files. Let's go here. So after cart, we want for checkout. So let's say path equals to, then here we have the checkout. And in this case, we have to use curly pairs checkout component. Then after we'll have our auth component, or before that we have my orders. So route here, let's say path, it will be my orders. Then after let's element, and here it will be called my orders. Then after we have to create for my account. So route here, let's say path forward slash my account element. It's element attribute, and here it will be my account. Then after we have our authentication components, so route here. So in this case, the path will be only login. So forward slash login. And in this case, I will call auth component. Save all these changes. So if I go back to browser, and now we can see that automatically it has called the landing page, that is forward slash of this application. And in that case, it has called our home component. If I click on this products, now we can see product component. Here we have cart component, my account component, my orders component. Here we have login and sign up, that is auth component. So successfully, and once we click on the site title, again it is calling our home component. So successfully, we have all these navigations of this nav component now linked with this router of this route section. So in the next video, what basically we have to do, so first I will start with the design of home component. It means that right now here we have only the static message called hello home, but in place of this hello home, I want to use some HTML so that we have the exact same page what we had seen inside demonstration. So step by step, now we are moving towards to complete this interesting project. So for this interesting course, interesting project, please hit the like button to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Now let's meet to our next amazing video. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.